Hello, this is Pastor Kearney, and I am praying for you. Please call now to order your personal prayer package. I'll take my next call on the line. Hi, you on the line with Pastor Kearney?
Pastor Kearney.
Yes, what can I do for you today?
Pastor Kearney, I'm calling because I'm just going through so much right now.
Uh-huh.
It's pain in my lower stomach, and it's a blockage, and my bowels are not able to pass. And I just really need you to pray for me, because I hadn't had a bowel movement in 3 weeks. Every time I eat something, it just comes right back up.
Mm-hmm.
But my husband that left me, we ain't had sex in 10 years. And I'm just really going through right now. And I just need you to pray for me.
Well, you put your ear close to this phone, because I'm about to pray. Put your ear close to the phone.
Thank you, just blew my eardrum, Pastor Kenny.
Pull your ear far away from the phone, because God is healing you. Tell me how you feeling now.
I feel worse, Pastor Kenny.
I'll take my next caller. How you on the line with Pastor Kearney?
Pastor,
What can I do for you today?
my right arm
Uh-huh.
and my left leg hurt, and I've been having a headache for like 3 years now, and my tootie, it's been some stuff coming out of it.
Wait,
and it won't stop.
Your tootie, what is...
It's been
I don't even want to ask. Never mind, but tell me this. You said swelling. You sure your head's not big?
No, Pastor.
Okay. So you want me to pray for your head and for Tootie? Is this your cousin, I hope?
No, Pastor.
Okay, you don't have to tell me. I'm just going to pray. I want you to lift your hands, just one hand, because you got to hold the phone still.
Okay.
And I'm going to pray, all right?
Oh, please.
I want you to close your eyes. Now move your ear far away from the phone, because I'm getting ready to pray. You ready?
Yes, Pastor.
Do you want God to heal you?
Oh, heal me, Jesus. Heal
Here
me.
it goes. God
Oh.
is healing you now. Touch it. Touch your arm. How your arm feeling? Is it still hurting you?
And if I touch my arm, I'm going to drop the phone.
Okay, you put the phone down for a minute. Touch your arm. Pick the phone back up. Tell me.
You want me to put
how
it
you
on
feel.
speakerphone?
No, no. Just touch your arm.
Okay.
Rub your arm just a little. How you?
It hurt.
It's still hurting?
Yeah.
Okay, now
Try
what about
something
your head? Touch your head. Put your head. How's your head feeling?
Ooh, I felt so. Then that's just my wig coming off.
Okay, now leave your hands on your head. You gonna lay hands on yourself. You hear me?
Oh.
God! How you feel now?
Oh, I felt something.
You felt something? Okay. Well, you call me tomorrow. We're gonna pray again, and you'll feel something else. All right?
All right.
This is Pastor Kearney, and I am praying for you. Please call now to order your personal prayer package.